Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today is the day that we are gonna decorate my home office space. You know? There's a different video in which I'm gonna redecorate my desk, but today we're gonna be focusing on this part of the room. Ever since we moved into the house, I've been thinking if I was gonna film again, where would I be filming? And there is no better place in this house than this corner. This is my absolute favorite room actually, and I thought this was the perfect corner to decorate for filming YouTube videos again. I'll show you what it looks like right now. It's just some random decorations and stuff that I had. We want to keep these drawers here. They're perfect for storage in our home office, so it's perfect, but it's so incredibly white. However, I did have the really fun idea to place some wood on top of these drawers, but I cannot do that because I am not that handy, but luckily I have a really handy boyfriend. Just the downside of that is that he does so much himself, so he has other projects he's working on right now. So that's not going to be happening in this video, sadly. I cannot wait anymore. I have decoration lying around for weeks and weeks just waiting to be put up here on these drawers, so we are going to be doing that today. Okay, so let's just get started. We're going to look through all the decorations that I got. Okay, let me get this stuff in here real quick. I might end up using some other decorations that I've had, but this is what I bought for this. Let's start off with this lamp. It is so incredibly adorable. I believe I got this from Sklum. I will link it down below. It is really pretty. It is a little bit flimsy, but it's just gonna stand on the drawer, so I don't care that it wobbles a little when you touch it. Next up, I've got this vase. It is kind of a stone-ish vase. I don't know if you can tell. This is it up close. It looks really pretty. So this is from a Dutch store called Ledin. I will link it down below, but it's only available in the Netherlands, I'm afraid. But I figured I wanted something to go a little bit higher and not just have all low decoration, like small decoration. And with the vase, I got fake flowers. I wanted something colorful, something nice, because this room is so white. I saw these in a store and I thought they were perfect. They're like plasticky flowers, but I think they look good enough to be in this room. I think they're colorful and cute, and if you don't look too close, they're not so fake. I don't care that they're fake. They add color to the room and I love them. I got these at also a Dutch store. I'm so sorry. I believe I got these at callmeliz. I'm sure if you're looking for something similar, you can find it somewhere else. As you might have noticed, I have all of my books gathered here in the corner. I had them downstairs at first, but I really want to use them in here, so I want to put some over my desk area, and I also want to put some on the drawers. So for that, I wanted some really pretty bookends. I don't know how many I'm gonna use. I have two. These are from H&M Home. I think bookends are so incredibly hard because they have like so many different ones. My books are colorful. I thought let's get something a little bit more neutral, and I thought these go well with the vase. So these are the bookends. I think they're really cute. I think if you look at it like this, then it kind of looks like pages from a book, like when you know. It's exactly what I was looking for, and I hope they will look good with my books. Then I also got some candles at different stores. I saw this one. It was for sale. This holds one of those tall candles. To go with it, I got this candle, which was also for sale. I thought the color was so fun. Then I got this really big candle. I don't know if this is gonna be cute at all, but I saw it and I thought, you know, let's try it. It was really cheap. Pink goes good with green, right? Then I got this one as well. This one's also ribbed and it has a golden edge, which I thought would add something fun to it. And with it, I got these. These are LED candles. I have two. I just can't hold two. And I was really curious how it would look. These are rechargeable, so that is really nice. And I kind of like the look of them. They like flicker a little like real candles do. I really like these. I think I'm gonna try more of those LED candles. I got two posters. It has a couple of books and it says just one more chapter. I thought it'd be so cute, especially since I want to put out some books on the drawers. I thought it'd be really fun to have some book posters. I ended up going on Etsy and looking for were just, you know, one of those packs of posters that you can buy. And I found this really cute one with, I believe, over 400 or 500 book posters. This is the other one. So I didn't want to have just books and books and books. So I thought this one was really fun with the flowers. And it says, after all, tomorrow is another day. And it is a quote from Gone with the Wind. It's still bookish, but it's also not. And I thought they would look really cute together. Can you see? The colors go so well together. I will link the Etsy listing down below. Ow! We have one box that we can open up together. How fun is that? I bet you can already guess what's in here. Oh! These are picture frames, obviously. Okay, let's open them up. So I got these with a wooden edge. It will go really well on the white wall behind it. Hopefully it'll kind of match with the wood that will go on top of the drawers. But I think they look really nice. Don't think I'm gonna be able to hang these up myself. I think we are gonna have to drill some holes in the wall for that, and I'm not gonna do that. Number 2. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, let's start by clearing what is here already, because this is all not gonna stay here. I forgot to mention that we're mainly going to be focusing on this part of the drawers, not so much on that part. You won't even see on camera, so who cares? Oh, I love this. Isn't this the perfect size for this wall? No, I don't really like it. I don't really like the books. I'm gonna browse Pinterest for a minute. As it turned out, I didn't have all of my books here. I had the cutest ones downstairs. So I'm gonna be trying it again. I also got this from my bedroom. Okay, I think I'm pretty satisfied with this. I think it's cute. So I also went a little bit more that way. Turned out I got that far. So I think these are gonna go over here. It does feel a little bit bare beneath them. I don't know. Oh my god, I think it's really, really cute. I think the end of the drawers do not fit in quite yet. That is a little bit sad. I will see you when it's kind of finished, more finished. Okay, bye. Hi, I'm back. Are you ready for the finished result? Ta-da! So the pictures are hanging. So cute, by the way. Oh my god. I took out the really tall books because I had like 1 or 2 books that were taller than the rest, and I just thought it looked a little odd. So I got rid of those. Well, not rid, but I took them out, and I think it looks so much better like this. So after I put the picture frames up, it was really bare down here, so I thought, let's remedy that. I got 2 book series, A Good Girl's Guide to Murder series and One of Us is Lying series. Better. I thought it was cute like this, you know, just 2 book series, like
Cute, right? Here are the before and after. I think it looks so much better, especially since the decorations that I had at first were not really decorations that were meant to be here in the first place. But I love the decorations that I got. It's so much more colorful and brighter and warmer, and I love it. One thing that's probably always going to bother me is a reflection that you see in the picture frames. Might look into, you know, maybe some anti-reflectant glass or something. Might that be a thing? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. I like it. Let me know what you think about it. Or maybe if you have some other ideas how it could be even more cute, or maybe what would fit on the other side of it. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hope I will see you in the next one. Bye!